Hi, in this problem, I'll work out an example involving a t-test for the difference between two means. The problem states the following. Assume we wish to test the difference in HOA homeowners association fees between two California cities, Pasadena and Arcadia. The sample standard deviations are $43 and $38 respectively. Sample data is listed below. Alpha is 0.10. So we have our information here. Our first step is to state the claim, determine H naught and H sub 1. For mu sub 1, we will use the average HOA fees for Pasadena. For mu sub 2, average HOA fees for Arcadia. We're given the word difference in the problem. This means not equal to. So the claim is that the two means are not equal. When it's not equal, that's an H sub 1 statement. H naught are the two means are equal. This is a t-test because we are given the two sample standard deviations. So our next step is to compute n sub 1 minus 1 and n sub 2 minus 1. N sub 1 is 45, so 45 minus 1 is 44. N sub 2 is 30. 30 minus 1 is 29. We pick the smaller of the two to become the degrees of freedom. So degrees of freedom is 29. Now we look up our critical values. Remember, since it's not equal, it's a two-tail test. Two tails, 0.10. We go down to 29, and the value is 1.699. So we have a left critical value at negative 1.699 and a positive value at positive 1.699. Now we compute the test point using this formula. Difference of the sample means minus the difference of the population means, that's 0. So this will be 0. Divided by the square root of S1 squared over N1 plus S2 squared over N2, so we plug in our information. Let's key this in the calculator. We have 245. I like to use parentheses to encase the difference in the numerator. So minus 220 divided by second square root, 43 squared. That's divided by 45. Plus 38 squared divided by 30. Hit enter, and we end up getting 2.65. Now, it turns out that we can also use the built-in function to compute the test point. We click Stat, go to Test, select option 4. Make sure to select Stats. X bar 1 is 245, S1 is 43, N1 is 45, X bar 2 is 220, S2 is 38, N2 is 30. We want not equal. We also want to select no where it says pulled. And then we just press calculate and we get 2.65. 2.65 definitely falls in the critical region, so we reject H naught. And using our table, we get reject H naught, claim is H sub 1, so we would write out there is enough evidence to support the claim. Thanks for watching this video.